I'm Dr. Ali, an Assistant Professor of Energy Engineering at the Engineering Department at AUIS. I'm delighted to share that I have been included in the exclusive list of the world's top 2% scientists published by the Bibliometric Index with Scopus Elsevier. This list considers many factors such as the total number of citations, the Scopus H index, and the contributions of the author. For the last 8 years, I have worked alongside my team in solar energy research. We developed advanced photovoltaic thermal collectors, which allowed us to publish research in high-impact international peer-reviewed journals. Most of our work has received considerable attention and citation, which has led to being included in this list. My work generally involves performing numerical analysis, constructing experimental prototypes, performing indoor and outdoor experiments, as well as techno-economic evaluations. I was successful in creating a patent for photovoltaic thermal collectors with nanofluids and nano-phase change material, and in the last 2 years, I received a total of 2,222 citations. Alongside my team, I was recently awarded the gold medal at the Malaysian Technology Expo MTE 2023. This is an event that celebrates the latest technological achievement in various technological fields. This achievement is a reminder of the importance of research for the instructors and the students to establish a more sustainable future. I would like to express my gratitude to my teams and to AUIS.